So there are a ton of best-selling products you can definitely start creating and selling for the fall season. And if you are thinking about what to create right now in the summertime, this would probably be the best place for you to spend most of your time. Now, in today's video, I want to share with you some top trending designs you can start creating today to start selling on your print-on-demand products, and how by using creative prompts, able to create some high quality designs. I want to share this all with you coming up next. Now, for us to make this all possible with selling t-shirts, we're going to utilize Printify. Printify is my #1 place to sell all of my print-on-demand products. This is extremely helpful because they have a lot of things for you to create and sell. Your t-shirts, your sweatshirts, your hats, and your hoodies. And they have a seamless connection when it comes down to connecting your shop over to Etsy, where the only thing you really have to focus on is creating high quality products, and they would take care of all the printing and shipping for you. And this is exactly what we're going to do when we come across these type of prompts that's generating these type of designs. We definitely want to speed up our entire design process by utilizing AI. But again, this is powerful because we're going to combine this with Printify print-on-demand products, and this is going to allow us to create high quality products we can start selling today. Now, if you do want to get started on your own, you can get started with Printify's free version, but they do offer the premium version, which allows you to get a discount on every product sold. Again, they did give me a discount code if you want to get started with that 30 days absolutely for free. But again, you do have both options. So I made sure to leave all the details down in my description box below for you to check out which one is best for you and your business. So we definitely want to make sure that we are creating properly for the season. And one of the things I also found as well is just not obviously fall designs are selling well, but these Goose shirts are definitely trending on Etsy right now. And we definitely wanted to create some things that could be based upon these two trending niches that we can start creating and designing for. Now, when I'm creating these designs, I'm going to jump into the Creative Prompt AI tool. This is a brand new AI generating tool for t-shirts and different type of clip art designs you can use. And it really makes it easy for you to find designs that's selling well, grab the prompt, and then remix that prompt to make it your own. And so I definitely want to share with you how to do that, just to make it easier for you when you're trying to create these t-shirt products for Printify. One of the things that we have found to do well are these little Goose shirts here, where we have all the Goose together. So we see the same thing being done here as well, but we definitely want to remix this up to bring in something different. And maybe we can have these ducks reading books, or maybe we can have these ducks doing a funny dance or jumping in fall leaves. And so I was able to create this prompt here where it says a 4 cartoon geese stand in a row, each dressed in cozy autumn attire, and just a couple more things to really bring out that theme that we see to work well. I'm going to go ahead and create this to be a 1-to-1 here, and I'm going to hit generate. And this is a really fast tool that really gets you amazing designs just within a couple of seconds here. And so here's what we got as a result. I think that came out extremely well. Definitely bringing in that fall theme. Again, I'll make sure to leave all the prompts as well in the comment section below, but that's definitely bringing in some really cool fall themes that I think can do extremely well. And it brought in that phrase, just a cozy goose. And I think that definitely plays well with what we see to do well on the Goose side of things when it comes down to these designs, but definitely getting them prepped and primed for the fall season. Now, one of the reasons why I like utilizing this tool is because if we find a design to look well and do well like this one here, we can go a step further and remix the prompt. So I can go down to the bottom where it says remix the prompt and get a new image. And then I'll say here, have all them read books in the fall season. And so we're going to have this prompt. And as you can see here, we didn't put too much sentence structure to this. We just simply told that we want them, and it identified who they are, the geese here. And we definitely want them to just do something different here, because we know that obviously the fall season, very cozy, very snug, and a lot of people are in their homes reading books. So we can definitely apply that here. So if everything's good, here's going to remix the original prompt. We're going to hit apply, and I have my brand new prompt here, and we are able to edit this and make some changes if we want to, but I think everything's good here. I'm going to hit generate new image, and it's going to remix our image to fit that overall theme we talked about here. And as you can see, we're still bringing in those 4 ducks in a row, definitely still in that fall season, still have the cool phrase here, just a cozy goose, but we do have some of them reading books, and this one here is drinking coffee, just standing by himself. But I think that still came out well because we were able to change these designs up. And so again, we can continue to remix this even further. Let's just say we want to go down and say that we want them to be jumping in fall leaves. So we just simply put have them jump in fall leaves. Again, we're going to remix the original prompt. If we do want to remix this prompt here, we can just select this to be the latest remix that we have, but I'm just going to remix the original prompt that we had here. I'm going to hit apply, and now we have our brand new prompt that we can look over before we generate any designs. We can edit to make any manual changes here, but I think everything is good here. Again, it has the text in play and just change the overall theme. And so I'm going to hit generate the design, and you'll see here just in a couple of seconds we're going to get an amazing design here. And as you can see, that came out extremely well. Again, it brought in that theme, just a cozy goose. All of them are wearing the fall colors, and now they have them jumping in leaves or playing in some leaves, and I think that is pretty good. Now, with that being said, we can keep going through this over and over again and really generate some amazing designs, and really some of our own original designs because we're putting in our own remix prompt. But I think for today's example, everything is good here. I can go ahead and download this image. I can save it to my computer, and then I can use an upscaling tool just to upscale the image to make sure that it's ready to go. So now that we downloaded our image, we remove the background, we upscale the image, and there's a lot of tools you can use to do that. Canva is a great way to do that as well. I know Canva is accessible to a lot of people, but now our design is ready to go to upload into Printify. So I head back over to Printify. We're going to set this to be on a t-shirt here, and we're going to focus on the Bella 3001 series, as that's a very popular shirt to do extremely well on Etsy. We're going to go ahead and select Printify choice, as it's going to give us the best option for printing and pricing, and just make sure everything is there for us to actually create the product for. So it's going to be available for us to sell here. So I'll start designing, and now you can see I have my shirt here. And if you're new to Printify, you just want to make sure that your design fit into the box here. You don't want anything to be outside the box, just inside the box is going to be printed. And if you are creating this to be on a sleeve or a back of the shirt, you have these options down here. Now, because we're creating just a very basic fall design today for a t-shirt, we're going to keep it on the front side. And the only thing we have to do here is find our design, go ahead and drop it in to our t-shirt canvas. And now we have our design here. As you can see, this is a perfect matchup, definitely with a strong high DPI setting. Again, the standard is about 300, but we're hitting 341, so definitely beating the standard here. And if you can see our design, that came out extremely well. Again, we definitely made sure to upscale the image here, but as you can see, I think that's a perfect design. We can sell on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a coffee mug. There's a lot here that we can do, but just for our example today, I think that came out extremely well. Definitely one, as you can see, that was very easy to create. Again, I made sure I leave the prompt down below as well for you, but again, I think that came out extremely well. Now, if everything good here, we head over to preview to see how this is going to look once it's printed out. And again, I think that came out extremely well. Again, definitely following this popular type of style we see here, but again, ours brought in a different style of, but as you can see, this definitely following that trend of these popular geese here, and we definitely want to incorporate some type of fall design into that as well, and that's what we were able to do here, and I think that came out extremely well. Now, there's a lot more that we can get into, but this is definitely an easy path if you're trying to create t-shirts, getting prepared for the fall season. You definitely want to find what is trending and combine what is trending to something else, trend merge those two things together to create something new. Now, again, if you want to get started with Printify, make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below. And if you're new to Etsy and you're not sure how to get started, I have created my super simple guide to Etsy sales. This is my step-by-step process of how I was able to gain daily sales on Etsy just by following a couple of proven paths that can help you gain sales as well. This has over 20 pages of my step-by-step process, as well as exclusive videos to share with you over the shoulder exactly what you need to do in order to gain sales. So if you want to get access to this, simply put in the comment section below the word sales, and I'll be happy to send this over to you today. And check out this next video here where I share with you a popular design style you should start utilizing in your products today. And subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to make income online. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.